Hi, welcome to Starting with Chapter 1. My name is Heather Downen. On a cold, windy night, an itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls into a sleepy bear's cozy lair, looking for relief from the bitter winter weather. Soon, he is joined by a bunch of woodland animals and the party begins. Popping corn, brewing tea, tweeting, and chatting, the critters enjoy themselves thoroughly while the bear slumbers through it all, until something happens to wake him up. Find out what that is as Nathan Larison, director of Boys and Girls Club, reads Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Brian Jones, used with the permission of Writers House, LLC.
Hi, my name is Nathan Larison, and I'm the Boys and Girls Club director at Foundation for Youth. And today I have the pleasure of reading to you Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, the night sounds growl, and the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear ra-chew. He blows and he sneezes, the whole crowd freezes, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Thank you for letting me read this story to you. My daughter certainly enjoyed it, and I hope you do too.
We hope you enjoyed today's story. If you would like to read more stories by Karma Wilson, be sure to check out Bear Stays Up, Bear Wants More, and Bear's New Friend at your school library, public library, or local bookstore. Stay tuned as Lori Erfmeyer, BCSC Pre-K Parent-Child Specialist, presents this month's parenting tip. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Starting with Chapter 1.
That is one of my favorite stories. I love the way the mouse took control and helped Bear join in the fun. We can teach our own children to be leaders and include others too. Children need lots of help in initiating others to join in. We can teach them by simply giving them the vocabulary. For example, I would say to a child, Spencer, go up to Betsy and say, "Do you want to play with us?" Like anything, your child will need to practice this skill, and it will get easier. Happy playtime!